Welcome. In this video, we will demonstrate how to archive a chat on Messenger using the updated method. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Locate and open the Messenger application on your Android smartphone or tablet. You can find the Messenger app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. 2. Find the conversation you want to archive in the list. Scroll through your list of conversations within the Messenger app and locate the specific conversation that you wish to archive. 3. Tap and hold your finger on it. Press and hold your finger on the conversation you want to archive. This action will prompt a menu to appear with various options. 4. When the menu appears, select Archive. Once the menu appears, look for the Archive option and tap on it. This will archive the selected conversation, moving it out of your main chat list. By following these steps, you can efficiently archive a chat on Messenger using your Android device. Archiving conversations helps you declutter your Messenger inbox while still allowing you to access the chat later if needed. This feature is useful for organizing your conversations and keeping your Messenger app tidy.